Well, this is the beautiful campsite Miquelon Creek out at Wee Jasper in New South Wales. There's no powered sites out here obviously, but there's a nice toilet block up there and tables, plenty of places to camp. There's even a barbecue and very peaceful out here. While it's not a free campsite, it's certainly a cheap campsite, and it's also an ideal campsite for those people camping with dogs. And you can probably hear the water in the background running past, and I'll show you a little bit of that in a minute.